As you take your lantern pieces, you want to make sure that they all fit together properly. So if you take the little finger joints, put it together, quite fiddly, put them on top of the base like this, and you work out and make sure that the whole thing goes together with no gaps. It should do, because there should be no issues with it, and that is all good. You'll see, once you let that bit down again, so now you've made sure it works back down, you'll see that there will be some markings on one side of the wood where the laser went through the wood. So on the top face it looks nice and crisp, on the bottom side there's some burn marks, so I suggest you put those on the inside of your lantern when you make it. Now once you've done that, you can take some regular PVA glue and you want to start gluing, applying glue to all the parts that are going to touch another piece of wood. So we can go across here, and you want to be not too liberal, but not too sparing, and they'll go on these sides as well. Okay, so that's that section done. On these ones, I am just going to put it on the inside of this piece. Inside of this piece. There we go. Okay, and then on this piece too. And because I've got glue on one side that's going to touch, I only need it on one side, I don't need it on both. So all the other pieces that are going to touch these pieces do not need glue on them. Finish this up. So there we go. So they're going to touch that, they're going to touch that, so they've got the glue on there, and these two sides and these two sides will touch these sides that are glued already as well. So take this piece, put them all back in the place where they started, assemble it all into the right place. Some of that PVA glue will squidge out a little bit and it won't stick. You're going to need to hold this together for a while, which is why I've got my elastic band. I'm going to double my elastic band up, pop it over the top, make sure it doesn't all fall to pieces, and then I'm going to just place it around here, spread it out a bit so we can apply the pressure in different places. I'm going to wipe away the extra PVA glue around the outsides before it marks my wood. The glue dries clear, but it does dry lumpy, so just be aware of that. Once that's done, leave that for an hour or so, and then that'll be glued enough and it'll be fully dry in 24 hours.